Hey there, beautiful people. Are you feeling a little low on energy or just looking for a pick-me-up to kickstart your day? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate energy boost smoothie. It's super simple, refreshing, and packed with goodness to fight off fatigue and bring back your sparkle. Here's what you'll need for this magical elixir: 250 milliliters of ice-cold water, because we're keeping it cool. Half a carrot. Yes, trust me, it's going to blend right in and add some natural sweetness. 1 banana, our creamy superstar. And finally, some chopped walnuts. Add as much as you like for that extra boost of crunch and healthy fats. Okay, let's get this party started. First up, grab your carrot, slice it into manageable pieces, and toss it into the blender. Don't worry, your blender can handle it. Now let's bring in our banana. Slice it up and throw those little power-packed wheels into the mix. Next up, it's walnut time. Sprinkle in as many as your heart desires. They're going to give this smoothie a subtle, nutty flavor and keep you energized all day. Finally, 250 ml of ice-cold water. This is what's going to tie it all together and make it oh so refreshing. Now, pop the lid on, hit that blend button, and let it whirl for 3 minutes. Go ahead and dance a little while it blends. This smoothie deserves a celebration. Voila! Your energy boost smoothie is ready to sip. Look at that creamy, dreamy texture. Absolute perfection. Take a sip, and I promise you'll feel like a brand new person. Now pause the video and jot down the ingredients and preparation steps.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young.
It's like sunshine in a glass. Make this smoothie your go-to when you're feeling a little sluggish, and you'll thank yourself later. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more recipes that make life delicious. Stay energized, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings.